Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious whipped cream frosting. We'll start by gathering just 3 simple ingredients: very cold heavy cream, powdered sugar, and a touch of vanilla extract. For the best results, make sure your mixing bowl and whisk attachment are thoroughly chilled. This initial preparation is key to achieving that light, airy texture we all love, setting the stage for a perfect, fluffy frosting. Once your ingredients are ready, pour the very cold, heavy cream into your chilled bowl. Start whipping on a medium-low speed to gently incorporate air. As the cream begins to thicken, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Keep a close eye on the consistency. You're looking for soft peaks to form, which means the cream holds its shape briefly before gently flopping over. This is the perfect stage before adding sweetness. Now it's time to add the sweetness and flavor. With the mixer still running, slowly sift in your powdered sugar, about 1/2 cup at a time, allowing it to fully combine. Then, add about 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that classic, delightful aroma. Continue whipping on medium-high speed, watching carefully as the cream transforms. You're aiming for stiff peaks, where the cream holds its shape firmly. The final step is crucial for perfect whipped cream frosting. As soon as stiff peaks are achieved, stop whipping immediately. Over-whipping can quickly turn your beautiful frosting into a grainy texture. Your finished frosting should be light, airy, and hold its shape beautifully. It's best enjoyed fresh, but any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.